Hey guys, happy Saturday. So I'm home from Florida. My trip was awesome. I had a really great time. It was so nice to be somewhere where the weather was like, in the 60s as opposed to in the single digits. It was so cold here in Connecticut before we left. So definitely was a much needed vacation. Universal Studios was so much fun. I wanted to vlog for you guys, but I'm like really terrible about vlogging when I'm out and about and like enjoying myself. I just am like way too in the moment. So I may include some of the footage that I did film at the end of this video. We'll see if there's enough to make it worth it. If not, in the meantime, I got some mail that was all waiting for me when I got home. So I figured I would do a little unboxing for you guys. I got some PR from Derma. I got my Boxycharm, so I thought it might be fun to open that with you guys today. If you're digging my makeup, I filmed this morning my second look for my 3 looks 1 palette video that's going to be going up in like a week or two. I'm using the Juvia's Place Magic palette, which I'm absolutely loving. So much fun. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, you may want to click that button if you want to catch that video in the future. And in the meantime, let's get to some unboxing. All right, let's open up some boxes. So I have to admit, I am one of those people that does look at the spoilers for Boxycharm. I can't help myself. I just get so excited to know what's going to be in the box. So I have an idea of some of the products that are in here, but not everything. I think the lip product may be different for different people, so very excited to see what I got. So the theme this month is Rock 2018, which is pretty sweet, and I know there is a rock themed palette in here, which I'm pretty excited about. This is everything I got, but we're just gonna pop right in here. So this is one of the things that I definitely was not sure what I was going to get, and I got a product from Grande Cosmetics, who I actually just did an Instagram giveaway with. I just announced my winner today, so that was really cool. I have been trying out their Lash MD, which I think is working, but it takes a while, and I'm only kind of about like halfway through my month trial, so really looking forward to giving this a go. I've tried one of the shades, or I think the clear version of the Hydrating Lip Plumper, and it's really nice. It's not too tingly or burny like some other lip plumpers. So now I have one in a pretty red shade, so that's pretty cool. Also got this full-size product from Dr. Brandt. This is the Pores No More Luminizer Primer, which I've heard good things about. Definitely kind of curious to see how this will work because I have such oily skin, and it's an illuminating primer, but it says it's for all skin types. So hopefully this will work out all right for me. Then I also got the IT Cosmetics Universal Brow Pencil, which I actually have tried this before. It's been a really long time since I've owned this brow pencil, but I always could use a good brow pencil. Then this is gonna be fun. So this is an eyeshadow palette from Crown Brushes. So they do make more than just brushes, and this is the Glam Metal eyeshadow palette. Let me not like drop it as I try to get it out of the packaging here. So this is what the palette looks like. Really pretty. I think all of these shades are relatively metallic, so that's really cool. I definitely am excited to swatch this baby, play with it on my eyes. Maybe I will post on Instagram swatches of this entire palette so you guys can see what it looks like, but definitely excited to give this a try. The kitten palette that they sent to us, I think in November, I absolutely loved, and it was another 9-pan palette kind of like this. So hopefully this one is just as good. And then the last thing in here is from Pure Cosmetics. This is the bronzer and highlighter, or let's see, Dreamer Bronze and Brighten Cheek palette. Very cool. So it looks like it has a blush and a highlighter and maybe also a bronzer in there. So this is what it looks like inside. That blush is very, very bright. I think I'm gonna have to use a light hand with that. I like the highlighting shade though. It's really pretty. The bronzer is also kind of shimmery, which is, I don't know how I feel about that. I usually prefer matte bronzers. Let me give this a swatch so I can show you guys what this looks like. So these are the 3 shades swatched out. They're all very metallic. They all did feel very creamy, but also kind of chunky. So I don't know how this is gonna go on the face. I'm a little dubious. I feel like these would make really beautiful eyeshadows, but I don't know how they're going to look on the skin. So I will definitely have to play around with this and let you guys know how it works out. So that was everything in my Boxycharm. Let's take a look at this. So that Pores No More primer was $38, $24 for the Brow Power, $25 for the Glam Metals, $34 for that cheek palette, which I don't know if that would necessarily be worth it, but I guess we'll have to see what it actually looks like on the skin. And then $27 for the Grande Cosmetics Lip Plumper. So every Boxycharm, in case you guys aren't aware, is worth over $100, and it costs $21 a month if you pay monthly. It's less expensive if you buy like a 6-month or a 3-month subscription, which is what I do. I pay for 3 months up front, and it's $20 when I do it that way. So this is by far my favorite beauty subscription because you get all full-size products. It's really like a lot of bang for your buck. So really excited to give this a whirl. If you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm, I will put a link in my description box where you can sign up if you want to get your own sweet box of beauty goodies. But yeah, I'll report back and let you guys know how this stuff works out. And in the meantime, let's move on to this Derma E box. I love Derma E's packaging. It's so cute. So it looks like, let's see, your beautiful new year. So Derma E actually just is releasing this new product. They are single-use masks. There's a purifying, firming, and brightening one, and then they also have facial wipes, which are like a staple in my beauty collection. So this is exciting. So I have got a couple of these different individual use masks to try out, which I love face masks, so this is awesome. And actually, I've tried the purifying 2-in-1 charcoal mask before. I've had that in like the full size, which is awesome. But I haven't tried the vitamin C brightening clay mask or this firming magnetic clay mask. That's really cool. These would be really nice for traveling. Like if you didn't want to bring your whole mask, but you maybe wanted to do a mask while you were away for a week or two, this would have come in really handy while I was in Florida, alas. And then these guys I'm really excited about because I have never seen face wipes from Derma E before, and I use face wipes legit all the time. So very excited to give that all a go. And what are you? Ew. Regular girl, prebiotic. Yeah, a dietary supplement. Oh, that's kind of cool. I like when they give us little like extra goodies in our PR packages. I think that's always just like a sweet little touch. So that's it for now, just keeping it short and sweet. I hope you guys are having an awesome weekend. Stay tuned for Monday's video. I'm going to be doing a project pan for 2018. I'm pretty excited about it. I definitely am wanting to be better in 2018 about actually using my makeup. So definitely make sure you check out that video if you want to project pan along with me. I also decluttered all this past week, so if you haven't seen my declutter series, that was pretty epic. So I will link that for you guys in the description box as well if you want to see my entire makeup collection and see me attempt to get rid of products that I know I probably shouldn't be holding on to. So anyway, I'm gonna let you guys get back to your weekends. I hope it's a great one, and I will see you in Monday's video. Bye. Hey friends, good morning, happy Saturday. So I am in not exactly sunny Florida. It's like 50 degrees and very cloudy here, but I'm not gonna complain about it because back home in Connecticut it is like 0 degrees with like a -20 wind chill or something ridiculous. So I'm just happy I don't have to wear a winter coat today. So we are driving right now on our way to Universal. I am super excited. I have never been to like the whole Harry Potter theme park part of Universal, so that is what we are doing today. I just got my coffee, so I should feel like a human in approximately 20 minutes. So I will be checking back in with you guys when we get to the park. Woo! We finally made it. We're in the park, walking around. At least for now, there's not like 100 billion people here, which is the bonus of going to Florida in the dead of winter when everybody else is working and in school and stuff. So yeah, trying to find Harry Potter Park.
It's that way.
I think it's that way.
It's that way.
It's that way. Ah, this looks familiar. To have found an owl. And that's Ryan. Hi, Ryan.